Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I just want to give you guys an update of a bunch of different software that have updated recently, as well as talking about like HiveOS and MinerStat and Simple Mining. They've also updated as well. Also want to talk about mainly about Conflux as well as the Ethereum mining profitability, and we're going to talk about the 4 GB DAG for Ethereum, which is coming up in less than, I would say, 9 or 8 days as of making this video. Okay, so let me begin first. The Ethereum network hash rate, I just want to show you guys right now, it's averaging about 278 terahash, and it's actually been kind of coming down. So at one point on, let's see, December 1st, it looks like we were at the highest recently of 291 terahash. So we've dropped a decent amount of network hash rate, and I'm going to say the reasons why for that is the 4 GB cards are slowly coming off the network, and you know, so some people that are mining in Windows, I would say the 4 GB cards are not able to anymore unless you're using LOL miner. But yeah, I want to come back to this near the end of the video, and I'll give you guys more of my thoughts. Okay, there is a PSA, just a public service announcement of something I think you guys shouldn't use, is the phoenixminer.org. Okay, there's a website here, and I can't confirm if this is the legitimate like Phoenix Miner developers website, but looking at the, you know, for downloading their Phoenix Miner, it goes to a different link than what they have on their GitHub, on their official GitHub. So you guys can see here recently, Phoenix Miner just updated to 5.4b about 3 days ago, which is supposed to help for the ETH 4 GB DAG. I'll talk about that in a second, but I did a little bit of snooping here. If you guys right click this download link, hit inspect, it goes to this bit.ly, okay, bit.ly, it's like a link shortener, and I went to getlinkinfo.com, and I put this link in, and it comes up with the, like a GitHub, it goes to a GitHub redirection to download their Phoenix Miner on their website here, phoenixminer.org, but it goes to github.com/ethhash-community. Now, I don't know how legit this ethhash-community is, but if we go to the official Phoenix Miner GitHub here, going to 5.3b, just to make it the same as the one on their website, if we hover over this link here, it says it goes to github.com. If you're looking at the bottom of your screen here, it says github.com/the Phoenix Miner. So it doesn't say the Ethash community there. So I did a thing for you guys. You guys can see right here, look at this predefined batch files all in this download here, and it says like password Phoenix on the file name here. So I don't know if I would trust this as well. Another thing I saw was under their ePools file, they have a lot of predefined with their wallet addresses, as well as their dpools file. You guys can see here, there's a lot of predefined pools and wallet addresses here. If this is the, you know, Phoenix Miner developers, just let me know down below if you guys have ever saw this before. Phoenixminer.org. I know when you go to Google and you type in Phoenix Miner download, this one actually comes up first, not their GitHub, okay, which you can see here, there's a version 5.4b. So yeah, that's just a little disclaimer I wanted to talk with you guys, and let me know down below if you guys found it pretty fishy as well, this phoenixminer.org, which goes to a totally different download website than their GitHub here. Okay, but anyways, Phoenix Miner, guys, it has a new version, and I wonder if you guys have updated recently. I've updated all my miners, especially ones on HiveOS, which I'll talk about HiveOS in a second here. They have an update here for new kernels for the AMD Vega and Navi GPUs that apparently give a little bit faster when the DAG buffer is approaching or passing the 4 GB DAG size. Okay, so to use these new kernels, you need to use the drivers 20.5.1 or later under Windows 10 or in Linux. Okay, so I wonder if a lot of people are going to be updating their drivers, and then you will potentially get faster hash rates, potentially, or slightly faster DAG buffering using the Phoenix Miner here. Okay, and as well, they have a bunch of other updates here you guys can read here. I'll have this all linked down below so you guys can try it out. Phoenix Miner 5.4b. Okay, the next update software is Team Red Miner version 0.7.20, and this was updated yesterday as of making this video. Pretty much the same thing as Phoenix Miner. They added support for the 4 GB DAGs for Ethereum. They, you know, it's approaching approaching the 4 gigabyte DAG. They've updated that, and they have something called the extended mining. All right, so it says here, however, it has always required manual configuration. This release adds default conservative cap at 4072 megabytes for DAG storage on the 4 gigabyte GPUs for out-of-the-box execution of the miner. For maximum performance, miners are still advised to manually tune their rigs with the --ETH_4G_max_alloc argument. Most of the rigs run stable with higher value than 4072, which makes significant difference on the upcoming ETH epochs. Okay, so I'm not really sure if this is the same thing as the zombie mode on LOL Miner, but I'm gonna try this on my 580 4 gigabyte rig, so I'll keep you guys updated closer when we pass it, and then I will make a video on my 4 gigabyte rig trying out Team Red Miner, and as well as LOL Miner as well. Okay, LOL Miner, they haven't had an update recently, it's about 22 days ago, but yeah, they have a zombie mode for the 4 gigabyte GPUs. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try this out in the next coming while once we hit over the 4 gigabyte DAG for Ethereum. Okay, next miner is T-Rex Miner 0.19.4. They updated 2 days ago, so guys, go check them out. I don't think they have a 4 gigabyte DAG update, but just a disclaimer, you guys may get an error. I didn't see anything regarding about that on their update here, so just due diligence, test it out. If you get crashes, then you'll have to use probably Phoenix Miner if you have NVIDIA cards. Now G-Miner, looks like they fixed the DAG check for Ethereum. So G-Miner just updated to 2.34, and this was 2 days ago, and yeah, they improved some DAG check after generation for ETH and ProgPow and KPoW algorithms. Okay, so this feature helps to detect overclock issues, improved compatibility with AMD devices under Windows. So yeah, give this a try, guys, if you guys are using G-Miner for mining Ethereum or mining Ravencoin. Okay, it's all here. Okay, next one, let's talk about MinerStat. And also, if you guys are using Linux operating systems for mining on, with your hardware, you probably use MinerStat, maybe HiveOS or Simple Mining, and they all have already updated their Phoenix Miner as well as Team Red Miner, T-Rex, and G-Miner. It looks like MinerStat was actually the first guys to update to Phoenix Miner 5.4b on their website on December 12th. HiveOS was the next one on December 14th, just today as of making this video, and you can see here, yeah, actually HiveOS has updated a bunch of other things here. I'm not going to go through them, but the main thing is that they have the latest Phoenix Miner, latest Team Red Miner, looks like they have the latest NB Miner as well, G Miner and T-Rex Miner, and actually, wow, there's a whole bunch more here. I'm just reading it now. Nano Miner, SRB Miner, and Wild Rig Multi Miner. Okay, so wow, HiveOS has definitely updated a lot here, so this would probably be a huge update for those that are doing updates on your HiveOS rigs. Okay, yeah, Simple Mining as well has also updated. Actually, they did not add Phoenix Miner yet as of making this video. Looks like they've only did the G Miner, T-Rex, and Team Red Miner, and Wild Rig, but I'm sure Simple Mining is going to have it out real soon. Okay, so guys, that's the update of all the different software. I hope you guys are going to try it out. Let me know down below, as well as let's continue on with the video. We're going to talk about Conflux real quick. I'm just going to skim through this. Conflux, guys, Conflux just recently updated their block reward from 7 to 2. I was going to make a dedicated video about this, but you know what? Conflux doesn't deserve it. I think the project is dead in my opinion. But look at this. The network difficulty has dropped off a cliff after they changed the block reward from 7 to 2, and their network hash rate has died way down. So profitability for mining Conflux is way down, and they were apparently blaming miners on their Discord and stuff. I don't want to get into too much drama, but I wouldn't mind Conflux right now as it's not profitable. But yeah, it looks like mining Ethereum itself is still the most profitable coin. And now I guess this is a good segue into talking about the 4 gigabyte DAG coming up and the potential of how many 4 gigabyte cards are going to be coming off the network. Okay, so this is something I'm just going to give you guys my quick opinion here. I don't want to make this video too long, but I will have another dedicated video as it comes closer. The 4 gigabyte DAG, according to MinerStat's DAG size calculator here, really awesome website by the way, is coming up on December 23rd of 2020. So this is coming up real soon, and I wonder how much of the network hash rate, if not already, it's already been dropping. Okay, so we had 291 terahash back in December 1st, but now we are at about 278 averaging, and I think now it's like even lower. So let me just go to Ethereum here. Let's see, network hash rate is Oh, wait a sec. 324? Okay. Or 274. I'm going to go with this number here. 274. That's kind of closer to the network hash rate here. Wow, what's going on over here? 324. Okay, something. This might be a bug. I'm going to assume this is a bug, but I'm just going to go with 274 terahash right now on Ethereum. So it's been going down, right? It's been going down since December 1st, and I'm going to say that is attributed to the 4 GB cards that we're mining either in Windows, and I've heard reports of 4 GB cards not being able to mine in HiveOS or in Linux. Okay, I still have my 4 GB cards mining in HiveOS right now. They seem to work fine on the latest miners, so maybe there might be some people out there that haven't updated their 4 GB their miners for their 4 GB cards. So yeah, that could be a potential thing, but I'm just curious to know how much more of the network hash rate is going to drop off. And I talked about I forgot to bring up the stats here, but HiveOS, actually I can go right here, HiveOS stats, and yeah, actually we can just go right here. So I showed here roughly about almost 50% of HiveOS just for the AMD cards are 4 GB cards. Okay, so if we add up all the percentages here for the 574 gigs, the 474 gig, what else here, the 470, 580, 4 gigs, adding this all up together, it's about 42 to 48% or something. And yeah, so how much of those cards is going to be coming off of the network? Like how much of the network hash rate is going to essentially come out? And I don't really know, how many, I'm going to say how many ASICs are on the network right now in terms of percentage. Everyone's been talking about maybe 40% of Ethereum hash rate right now is like, in a silicon A10s or something. And yeah, but how much of the percent of the network hash rate is 4 GB cards? And the other day I did a live stream just talking about I'm just guessing that I'm thinking about maybe 15 to 20%. That's just my guesstimate of how much of the network hash rate is going to drop come the by December 23rd roughly. And yeah, that's just my guess. I want to know what you guys think of how much of the network hash rate is going to drop because of the 4 GB cards that are out there on the network right now. I'm curious to know, and I'd love to know your guys' thoughts. But yeah, my guesstimate is about 15 to 20%. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. So anyways, yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about, but I'll have another dedicated video coming up real soon, closer to the date of talking about Ethereum moving to 4 GB cards. So yeah, anyways guys, let me know your thoughts. I appreciate you all for watching, and I hope you guys update your miners, give it a try, let me know. And yeah, let me know your thoughts about this phoenixminer.org website with a different mining, like different batch files than the regular Phoenix miner. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.